It's been so long since I've made a vlog for you guys, or for myself for that matter. I've been so busy ever since I moved, and I'm so sorry. So tonight, I'm gonna go out. I'm getting drugged out of the house by Black Widow Supra, or Kyle, if you guys know him. We are going to get some food and go do a photo shoot with our cars. He's moving really soon, so it's kind of like a goodbye photo shoot, hangout session. So yeah, it's nice. I'm excited to get out of the house. I've been a homebody for the last 48 hours after my car show. I've just been so exhausted and trying to catch up on just not being stressed out and not being like a chaotic mess. So I have a lot of stuff I need to do and get done this week, but I do think it's important to make time to do things that aren't so important, but they're good for your like sanity. So this is going to be one of those things. I'm actually going to drive the Evo there. The Evo is parked at the church where I did the car show. I haven't moved it in 2 days and it's full of crap, so I have to walk on over there, grab my Evo, come back, unload it, and then I'll be on my way to Kyle's house. But yeah, let's go. Got my Audi service today, and I want to give a huge shout out to Cormotive in Montclair. They are so awesome. They do such a good job and so fast, and I just get the vibe, you know, when you go to a shop and you just get the vibe that they really just like care about you and they're not trying to like take all your money and cheat you over, especially being like a female. That's really important for me when I'm going to a shop. So they do literally everything, but if you need a new shop to go to, definitely contact them and tell them I sent you. They're amazing people. Okay, so as you saw, my tank isn't exactly empty, but when I get to like the last quarter of a tank, it goes so fast. And in LA, there's really not that many E85 stations, so I knew this one was about 5 miles from my house, so I'm like, I'm just gonna stop, fill up, and then go to Kyle's because I don't want to run out of gas. I'm always in that predicament, and if I boost more than twice, then I'll definitely run out of gas. So just a quick stop, filling up some gas. I always take the best gas station pictures. Like, my car looks the best in gas station lighting. I don't know if that makes sense to anybody else, but like, I love my gas station pictures, so it's never a bad time here, and I love the smell of E85. Now that we are full of gas, let's continue on our journey to Kyle's.
Dun dun da da dun da da dun da da dun dun da 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 da.
Is this what happens when you live alone too long? You get really sad and weird.
Alone. That's the Rocky theme. By the way, don't copyright me.
Oh, I don't think it was close enough.
It was close. See it?
Mm-hmm.
It's spitting. So the gasket that bolts, it's a sealer gasket. So it goes from the turbo to the manifold. Is spitting, and that's why I'm getting all this blowback.
Are you gonna make me regret giving you a ride?
Oh my god, it's a slow-mo. Look at this thing.
Great, he's already talking crap. He's not even been inside.
You're really gonna go black?
I decided not to wrap it.
What?
I decided to keep it like this.
Why?
Because I'm nervous. I'm nervous for the wide body to come off.
What's with your granny shifting?
What do you mean?
You granny shift.
Is it just I don't shift fast? I don't shift fast enough?
Yeah, no, not at all.
Okay,
gotta-
I'll try again.
You know how to bang gears?
I don't know, I guess not.
I get ahead of these guys. Oh my god. Okay. Left lane, left lane, left lane, left lane. Right here. It's a red light. We're gonna die. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna drop it, you're gonna get over the left lane, so that way you have enough runway. Don't hit the truck. Alright, so I want you to go from second to third as fast as you can. Full throttle. There you go. That was it. That was it. Still granny shifting, but very good. Much better. Much better. Now I'm starting to feel the turbo on this car.
Alright guys, so I'm about to get a ride in Kyle's Supra. He said it's about like 650 horsepower. I'm kind of scared because I don't really trust Kyle's driving. He kind of seems like the type of guy that doesn't really care. It's also like 9 o'clock at night and his car is super, super loud and attention grabby. So I really hope we don't get pulled over or stay wrapped or anything. So I feel really bad. I'm terrified. Bye, Sophie, if I die. How much boost are you pushing?
Right now, currently 18 PSI, but we're probably running 15 because of the clutch slipping. So 15 pounds of boost. We should be somewhere 550 wheel, 520-ish. But with the weight and the tire and the gearing is the thing, because the T56 is a high gear trans in 7th gear. Sorry, in 6th gear on a freeway.
You say 7?
Yeah, sorry. In 6th gear, because the new Corvettes are 7 gears. In 6th gear on a freeway at 75 miles an hour, I'm only 1,800 RPM, which is ridiculous. You got to think, your car is 75 miles an hour in 5th gear. It's like 3,500 RPM, 33. So. And this doesn't build boost till 5,000 RPM. So you really got to hit it.
Oh my god. made it to this parking garage down here in Hacienda Heights, where we found some decent lighting to take photos, even though neither one of us actually take photos of our cars. Yeah, it's been really fun. Kyle gave me a ride in his Supra, and it was honestly an experience for me. I've never really driven. Surprisingly, I've never been passenger in a Supra before, and I think the fastest car I've ever been in was probably like, I think I went like a 700 horsepower Evo, but he only did one quick little pull. So I feel like even though Kyle's Supra has like a lot less boost than mine, the power is just, it's like a different kind of power, like he was saying. Like it feels a lot more raw and it feels a lot more unsafe. I don't know if it's just because it's rear wheel drive versus all wheel drive, but it is a really, really fun car. And if his clutch wasn't slipping or whatever, I'd probably ask to drive it. He said I could. I just don't really want to grind any gears or break anything, make it worse. But if you guys had to choose between an Evo and a Supra, what would you guys choose? I'm curious.
I'm gonna pull it right there so I can leave.
Okay, I'll be close behind.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna do a two-step really fast because I'm a psychopath. Gonna be it for this vlog. I had so much fun today hanging out with Kyle, which was weird to say because I know like a lot of you guys hate that guy because he's weird and he vapes weird, but we had a lot of fun. That's his Supra. Check him out. Follow him on YouTube. His channel is
Black Widow.
What happened to your old channel?
Black Widow Supra got actually deleted.
Yeah, sad day. So go follow his new channel so he can get back up and running. And then if you haven't already, please subscribe to mine. It would mean the world to me, guys. And as always, have a great rest of your day. And I don't have an outro. I'm like,
you guys do. And keep moving forward. And I'm feeling good.
And as always, guys, keep moving sideways.